Are you ready to revolutionize the way environmental impact assessments are conducted? Welcome to the 3-day online training program on the use of AI in EIA, organized by Akone Services, Saraca Research Inc., and Conservify Now. Join us from the 3rd to 5th of April 2025 on Google Meet to explore the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in EIA. Over 3 days, this program will equip you with cutting-edge skills to integrate AI into EIA processes. Here's what you can expect. Day 1, Introduction to AI and its applications in EIA. Understand the basics of AI, its evolution, and tools like ChatGPT, TensorFlow, and Microsoft Azure AI. Hands-on training on AI-powered data processing and report writing. Learn how to draft professional reports and pre-feasibility studies using AI tools. Day 2, AI for data analysis, interpretation, and visualization. Master statistical analysis and predictive modeling using AI. Create stunning visualizations with tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries. Interpret analytical outputs and conduct impact analysis with AI algorithms. Day 3, Mitigation measures, EMP development, and recommendations. Develop AI-driven mitigation strategies and environmental management plans. Explore future trends in AI for EIA and present your final group project. This training is perfect for environmental consultants, engineers, scientists, academicians, and students eager to harness AI for sustainable development. Key highlights include hands-on training with AI tools, real-world case studies and group activities, a certificate jointly issued by Akone Services, Saraca Research Inc., and Conservify Now. Don't miss this opportunity. Here's how you can register. Dates: 3rd to 5th April 2025. Time 7:15 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. Fees 11,800 INR, including GST. Last date to apply 25th March 2025. Registration link https://shortearl.at/3v4pv. Secure your spot today. Register via the link below. Payment via GPay/PhonePe/UPI at 945050141. Training includes training materials, AI tool access, and a cheat sheet. For queries, contact us at +919909968953 or email akonetraining@gmail.com. Limited seats are available, so register early to secure your spot. Let's shape the future of EIA with AI. We look forward to seeing you at the training. Organized by Akone Services, Saraca Research Inc., Conservify Now. Visit www.akone.in, www.saracari.com, www.conservify.in.